Deep in the frozen forests of Serbia, winter controls every living thing. Hidden among the trees stood a small wooden cabin.
Inside lived a very unusual man. Small in height, but strong enough to survive the wilderness. His life was simple. He shared it with his loving wife. Today he would fish beneath the frozen lake. But something in the forest was watching him. Today he would fish beneath the frozen lake.
A silent predator followed his trail.
He raised his axe and struck the ice. In seconds, the freezing water swallowed him. The cold water trapped him below the surface.
The cold water trapped him below the surface. The man's strength slowly faded.
Above the ice, the lynx watched silently. Then the impossible happened. The lynx began striking the ice.
Slowly, the ice started to break. The man finally reached the surface. But he collapsed in the snow.
Then the lynx did something unbelievable. Slowly, it dragged him through the forest toward the tiny wooden cabin.
His wife rushed outside in shock. She brought them both inside.
Warmth slowly returned.
She prepared hot fish soup.
The man slowly recovered.